हॅलो स्टुडंट, गुड मॉर्निंग. हाऊ आर यू? कसे आहात? बरे आहे ना? अभ्यास करताय का? अभ्यास चालू आहे ना? चांगला अभ्यास करा. हे तुम्ही 15-15 मिनटं अभ्यास केला ना तर रोज तरी बस झाले, फुल मार्क्स मिळतील. ओके, आज आपण आहे ना सायन्सचं सायन्सचं आपण फॉर्म्युल्याने SI युनिट किंवा डायमेन्शन बघणार आहोत. एव्हरीबडी इज नोईंग डायमेन्शन, बरोबर की नाही? व्हॉट आर द फंडामेंटल युनिट्स? फंडामेंटल युनिट्स, फंडामेंटल युनिट्स, you know, fundamental units, meter, that means length and time. It is not meter, mass, length and time. We are measuring mass into kilogram, length is centimeter or meter, and time is second. These are the fundamental units. With the help of the fundamental units, we have to take every unit, SI unit of the velocity, force, kinetic energy, potential energy. Okay, these are the most important things. Now, next we will have to study about the force. You are knowing the force is equal to with the help of second Newton's law. You know second Newton's law. F is equal to force is equal to mass into means mass multiply acceleration. You know force is equal to. Okay. Then mass is measured as kilogram. Okay. This is kilogram. And acceleration is meter per second square. Meter per second square. This is the unit of mass. Acceleration. This is the unit of acceleration. Acceleration is mass per second square. Okay. Then this is the denominator. Then it has a denominator. What will be? kg multiply mass multiply s minus 2. घातांकाचा नियम. छेदस्थानी 2 आहे प्लस 2, तर अंशस्थानी आल्यावर काय होतात? -2. आता डायमेन्शन काय होईल याचं? डायमेन्शन किलोग्राम म्हणजे काय? मास. म्हणजे त्याचं डायमेन्शनल फॉर्म्युला मास, बरोबर? हे मास होईल. नंतर याचं मीटरचं लांबी लेंथ, बरोबर की नाही? L. आणि सेकंद कशात, टाइम कशात मोजतो आपण? सेकंद मध्ये, बरोबर की नाही? म्हणजे सेकंद कशात? टाइम म्हणजे T-2. दिस इज द डायमेन्शनल फॉर्म्युला. Depend upon the formula, we have to convert the dimensional formula with the help of this fundamental unit. Okay, so the dimensional formula of force is equal to mass, length and time raised to 2. Now second we will study kinetic energy. Okay, what is the formula of kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is equal to kinetic energy is equal to 1/2 m square. V is the velocity, m is the mass, and t is the time. Kinetic energy, 1/2 is the constant. There is no value at all. So mass measured for the mass is kilogram. Okay, and you know the unit of velocity, meter per second square, but v square is there, that is why meter square second square. This is the kinetic energy, unit of kinetic. But SI unit, the kinetic energy measure throughout the which unit? Joule. Joule. Joule was the scientist. So it is measure joule. You know the potential energy. P is equal to H rho G. P is equal to potential energy is equal to H rho and G. You know the rho. Rho is the density. G is the gravitational acceleration and H is the height. So from each, you know the density, no, volume upon mass upon volume. Density is equal to mass upon volume. You know mass, kilogram per meter cube, and dimension is also there. Mass is kg. Okay, mass is kg, means m. V is, what is the volume? Meter cube, means yes, length cube, and t is not here, the t raised to 0. This will be the dimensional. You know the dimensional formula with the help of this formula, density. This is homework. Okay, this is homework. You have to find out the dimensional formula. समजलं प्रत्येकाला? अशा प्रकारे 2-2 चे फॉर्म्युला घेऊन तुम्ही डायमेन्शनल फॉर्म्युला तयार करा. ओके, बेस्ट.